Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get to Miners Landing. First, access your ship's navigation console, typically found on your main display. Locate Miners Landing on the star map, which is usually marked with a distinct icon. Once identified, select it as your destination and confirm the route. Engage your quantum drive, ensuring your ship is aligned correctly. Travel time can vary, often taking several minutes depending on your starting point and the distance, so be patient and monitor your ship's status throughout the journey. Before initiating your final approach, it is crucial to prepare your origin ship. Confirm that your landing gear is fully operational and ready for deployment. Check your fuel reserves. A minimum of 20% is advisable for safe landing and potential rerouting. Calibrate your thrusters for fine adjustments, as precise control is essential during the descent. If you intend to acquire new resources, ensure your cargo bay has ample space, perhaps up to 50 cubic meters, to accommodate your haul. As you near Miners Landing, reduce your speed to a controlled pace, ideally below 50 meters per second. Contact air traffic control to request landing clearance. They will assign you a specific pad number. Once clearance is granted and you are within 200 meters of the pad, deploy your landing gear. Begin a slow, controlled descent using your thrusters for fine adjustments. Aim to align your ship perfectly with the landing zone, maintaining a vertical speed of no more than 5 meters per second for a smooth touchdown. Congratulations on a successful landing at Miners Landing. After your ship is securely on the pad, power down any non-essential systems to conserve energy. You can then safely exit your vessel and proceed into the station's main facilities. Here, you will find various services, such as refining stations for your raw minerals and trade terminals to sell your goods. Take some time to explore the hub, gather information, and plan your next steps, whether it is another mining run or a lucrative trade route, from this strategic location.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.